Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool and funny looking Saitama from the One Punch Man. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and he's got a really unique looking face. So we're gonna start out with his eyes. It's just gonna be basically two almond shapes. So I'm gonna draw one curve on top, on both sides. And then once you have that, same thing on the bottom. Alright, and then to finish off the details, I'm just gonna add two little dots inside. And then for the eyebrows here, it's gonna be a little bit shorter. It's gonna be right above. That was a pretty strange looking eye. Alright, so now for his nose, so just come out to the side on here, on this eye. Come down, just kind of give a little bit of hook. And then right underneath his mouth, it's a little bit small, just one line first. And then round off the bottom. Okay, so now we can fill in the rest of the head. So come off to the side here. And it's gonna be tapering in a little bit. Just kind of slant it in toward the mouth. And then once you have here, just round it off, come down for his chin. And then for the top, we're just gonna, from these 2 points, we're gonna round it up. Very strange looking face. Okay, and then to finish it off, his ear, right next to the eye right here, just come out to the side. Just gonna draw two curves. And that's gonna be his head. Alright, so now let's go down to his body. For his neck, just draw two lines first. And then on the collar here, just round it off. And he's got a cape. So we're gonna come back up here on the neck. I'm gonna slant it out. Come back to the neck here. Just curve it all the way back out. And then once we have the cape area over the shoulder, we're gonna draw in the rest of his body here. We're gonna pinch it down all the way down to his waist. Just got two slants going in. And then come in. And then it's got a big circle here for his belt buckle, so I'm just gonna draw, this is gonna be a top, it's gonna go all the way down. And then for his belt here, come down again, and then just close it off. And let's just go ahead and finish up the belt buckle here. Add another circle. And let's finish up some details up here as well. So right here on this cape here, let's draw two circles. And then draw one line going in. Okay, going around the circle. So these are just little folds for the cape. And then for his collar in the middle, it's really easy. Just come down straight in the middle. Line on the bottom and then go up. And then just curve it out, same as that curve on the top. Alright, so that's his body, and let's draw in his arm. So here's the armpit, just come out. Back to the shoulder here. Bicep, it's a little bit straighter. And lower arm, I'm gonna flare out slightly right around here. Close it off, and this is gonna be his lower arm with his glove. So I'm gonna go down. And then for his fist, just a little hook. Continue this, back of the fist. Turn it and close it. Alright, and then for this hand, it's gonna be a little bit different. So just come out to the side here. Just draw like a little rectangle, kind of a little bit tilted. It's gonna be holding his fist. And then here in the middle, I'm gonna draw one line. And then draw One more on each side, so those are gonna be his fingers. And then for his thumb right here, just come up, just kind of go around and close it. Okay, so his fist is just kind of floating here. So now we're gonna just draw like a little circle on the bottom. That's gonna be his forearm. And now we can connect it. So here's the armpit. Bicep, just connect that. And then the shoulder, just go down, connect to that. Alright, so that's the easy way of drawing kind of like a fist in perspective. Alright, so let's move on down. So his legs, come down the middle. Draw like just a little bit of angle. Come back out here, come down. Just a little bit of an angle coming in. And then for his knee, just a little bracket. And let's draw on the other side first. So same thing here. Use the other side for reference. So here's the bracket. And then for the lower leg, we're gonna flare out. And then we can close it because of his boot. Now we'll just pinch it in. Close it, and then just a little bit of a dome shape here. Come down, and this one's gonna come out a little bit more. And then just close that off. Okay, same thing here. So flare out. Close it, and then we're gonna pinch it in. Same thing here, come down. This one's gonna go out more. And then close it. Alright, so that's pretty much his whole body, and now let's add in the cape. So it's really simple. So for the cape, we're gonna come down, go back up to the shoulder. Come down. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of a fold here. So start here, just come down again, past this line, close it. Start on this side. So we can't see this, so we're gonna start here. I'm gonna have it curl up. And then for this part here, we can come to the middle. I'm just gonna draw a curve. Going to this line here, so this part's folding over. And then for this one, we'll just curve it. And we can add a little bit of waviness to it. And just connect to that point. And then we can add in a little bit of just a little bit of line here, just to show a little bit more fold. And that is it for this Saitama One Punch Man. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.